1 year in here equals 1 day outside. My power will surpass Kakarot's.
You've been living in Bulma's house for 4 years.
I'm training.
You eat her food. You use her gravity room. You're standing in her family's training facility right now.
I protect this planet. The Breeze family owes me that much.
She's paying you in housing. That's called compensation, not debt.
I am a Saiyan prince. I don't require currency.
Saiyan princes with no savings have the same net worth as Yamcha.
What did you just say to me?
Kakarot owns nothing. No emergency fund, no reserves. His family survives on Chi-Chi's family land and tournament prize money.
Damn, Kakarot is also fool.
He slept fine last night. Did you?
Kakarot doesn't think about any of this.
Kakarot also doesn't think about most things. It's working for him specifically. It won't work for everyone.
I've never needed anyone's help.
You've never asked for it. That's not the same thing.
Nani?
One bad month and every decision you make runs through someone else's willingness to keep supporting you. That's not strength. That's just a different kind of trap.
I've survived worse than a bad month.
Surviving isn't the same as having options.
Kakarot doesn't have options either.
Kakarot has Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi has a plan. Not the same as having nothing. You've been here 4 years. You haven't asked for a single thing. You also haven't built a single thing. Those are different problems. They feel the same from the inside.
How much?
Enough that a bad month stops being a crisis. Enough that you stop making decisions from inside someone else's house.
My power level
Is not a savings account. Over 9,000. Nothing in reserves.
Kakarot really doesn't worry about this.
Vegeta's been in there for 6 hours. What are they even talking about? Emergency fun again. Happened to me too.